In this video, we're going to cover the cleaning of an Amiga work surface. You'll need clean cold water, a non-abrasive kitchen cleaner, spray or cream, and a couple of non-abrasive cloths. We recommend microfiber cloths. For stains such as coffee, simply mop up any excess residue with your damp cloth, spray, wipe clean with your cloth, and then dry off using a dry cloth or paper towel in order to remove any lingering cleaning residue. For other stains such as sauce spillages, condiments, oil splatters, etc., it's the same process. Wipe clean, spray, wipe clean, then dry off. For more stubborn dried-in stains, simply wet the area first to loosen and follow the same process. If the stain is still present, a magic eraser can be used to help lift the stain out of the surface.